the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on XRP today. We have some interesting price movements. We have been going up to this 25k mark again, and we still haven't broken the 25.250 mark high. And if we do that, we are gonna go even higher. If not, we could see new lows. Well, let's look at the charts. The reason why 25.250 is an interesting price point is because we made a high here at 25.2k, and that is where we sold off from, and we are currently stalling in this area again, and we need to close above it with a solid candle, let's say at 25.3k on the daily time frame. Then we could possibly go even higher. Next target to the upside would then be 26.4k, and we could go up even to 28.5k if we close above 25.3k on the daily time frame. So that's something to look out for. If we don't do that, we will drop similarly to what we did last time. We sold off from 25.250 and went all the way down to 15k. We could do the same because we do have a lot of volume candles to the downside, which have been created by the market maker in this aggressive move to the upside. And as you can see, a lot of unfilled buy orders are in this zone, and for someone to buy, someone has to sell, and vice versa. And the market maker could basically sell into those unfilled orders in these price targets and get his orders filled and make money at the same time. But we need to wait and see what happens. These coming days will be interesting, because if we consolidate, we'll just have to wait until something happens. If we break above this zone, well, then we could see some higher moves to the upside, and we could go all the way up to 28k. If not, and if we have a drop in price, we could see prices going all the way down to 21k. If we look at the news events this week, we don't have much going on today. It's a bank holiday in the US, which means the market will be moving in some way. It will be pretty, how do I say it? It will be low volume pumps. So anything that happens today might be a trick play, because tomorrow we have the flash PMI from the US, which could move the market. We had the FOMC meeting on Wednesday. That will definitely rock the market, in my opinion. And yeah, we'll see. It will be an interesting week, in my opinion. Not big news, but we have a lot of news coming out. Next week, not much gonna happen. So this week, if something gonna happen during a news event, then it's probably during Wednesday. If we take a look at the liquidation map, we can see that it's pretty evenly distributed in the near term when it comes to liquidation points. However, I do think there's more money to the upside right now, and that could solidify a move to the upside, because a lot of shorts have been coming in thinking that 25k each is a huge resistance zone, and they've been going short basically. This, yeah, it's tricky because it's pretty evenly distributed, which in my case doesn't give me any additional information than the charts are showing me. I usually do this to add to basically what I see in the charts. And yeah, as you can see right now, pretty even distribution, so no conclusions from the liquidation map today. So yeah, let's see what this day's offer us in terms of price action, because yeah, on Wednesday we could see a clear direction, in my opinion. That's it for Bitcoin. Now XRP is pretty interesting. It's been moving nicely to the upside with clear retraces and so on. So it's looking quite nice for XRP. We are currently forming a volume candle right here. Let's see how it closes, but you have to mark it off in the chart when it's closed, and you can see where the unfilled orders are. if we see that we break this high and continue to upside, the next target for you is at 41 cents. And if we break that and continue right to the upside, you could take some profits on your longs at 42.85 approximately. If we drop from here and Bitcoin continues to sell off, we could see moves down to 37 cents. If we break that, 35 cents is your main target, because we have a lot of unfilled orders in this zone, and that is where price could move to if we drop from the current price point. However, it's looking pretty solid right now, and we could tap the 41 cent zone. That's it for today's day trading update. I hope you learned something today and that you like and subscribe to our channel. This is Big Boss, brother number 2. See you in the next day trading update. Big Boss out.